Hi, this is Lance Edwards, and welcome to the video summary for Chapter 9, the 4 components of success in real estate. You know, when I got started, I struggled like most people do in getting started in real estate. And what really opened up for me is when I discovered what I revealed to you in this chapter, and that is the 4 components of success in real estate. And I'm going to introduce them to you real quickly here. Imagine there's a triangle. Your first component of success is specialized knowledge. This is what you need. Obviously, you need to have the how-to. The how-to is being provided here. How to find the deals, how to find your buyers, how to find your investors, how to analyze the deals. Obviously, that's important. But unlike what most people think, oh, you need specialized knowledge. No, you need more than that. There's 3 other components of success. The second component of success is marketing. And the easiest way that I can summarize this is if your phone's not ringing, you don't have a business, you have a hobby, right? So I can teach you 26 ways to do a nothing down deal, but if there's no deal flow coming across your desk, it's all academic. And in this business, what I've taught you in the book is that there's 2 things we're always marketing for: deals and dollars. And there's a third thing you'll be marketing for when you own your buildings, and that's residents. We talk about it in here. That's keeping your occupancy up. All right, that's your second component of success. Your third component of success in real estate is systems. Systems. And what I mean by that is, are you interested in building a business for yourself, or are you interested in building another job for yourself? Well, I know the answer is you want a business. Well, the difference between creating a business for yourself and another job for yourself is the presence of systems. Systems, which means other people, other technology, other means are getting the things done without your direct involvement. And this is a critical step for wanting to actually create a business as opposed to just another job for yourself. In the chapter, I reveal those critical systems that you're going to need starting off and how to build out those systems. Now, the fourth component of success, and the most important one, in the heart of this triangle, and it's here for a reason, is your mindset. This is at least 70% of your success. Most real estate trainers don't even talk about it. I put it in the forefront of everything that I teach to my clients because this is what makes or breaks those who are doing 5% who are doing the deals versus 95% who are not. I talk about it in detail, but what I mean by mindset is the ability to take action despite fear. The ability to take action despite the fact I don't feel like taking action today. The ability to step beyond all of our old habits and all these limiting beliefs that have got us to this point today. So if you're looking to play bigger, which I know you are because you have the book, then it's all about changing your mindset. I reveal that to you in this chapter. In the next chapter, chapter 10, I'm going to show exactly how to take control of your mindset. This is an important chapter. Make sure you read it. I've got a bonus in here. If you'd like our help with a complimentary planning session and laying out your plan, you can sign up at the end of the chapter. Again, this is not a technique to sell you something in disguise. Nothing's going to be sold to you unless you ask us about it. But it is my way of giving back. Take advantage of that resource as a complimentary planning session. That's chapter 9. I look forward to speaking to you in the next chapter, chapter 10.